Hello, welcome back to Virtual Cookbook Club. I'm Mrs. Mendelson. Today we're going to do something a little different. So last week was my dog Bandit's Gotcha Day. We've had him for 10 years now, and because he had some teeth pulled, we weren't able to celebrate his birthday, so we're going to do that today. And we are going to make him a coconut berry dog cake. So you'll need some eggs, coconut flour, coconut oil, some honey, and blueberries. Okay? So first thing you're going to do is you're going to mix all the wet ingredients together. So we're going to do the eggs first. All right, eggs, oil, and honey. And we're going to mix that up together. Okay. Then we're going to add in our coconut flour. Alright, and then we're going to fold in our blueberries. Mix those gently in so you don't smush them. Okay. Now, if you happen to have a 4-inch springform pan, like what we use for the cheesecake, that's great. I don't happen to have a 4-inch one, so I'm going to use these ramekins instead. All right, and then these are going to go into the oven for about 20 minutes, and I will see you when they're done. All right, so we finished baking the berry coconut cake for the dog. It looks like that, and it's going to get his treat. And look up.